Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy web apps on Google App Engine, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy a web app on Google App Engine, start by setting up your Google Cloud account. Visit the Google Cloud Console and sign in. Create a new project by Select a project in the top menu. Click on New Project and enter a name for your project. Once your project is created, make sure it's selected. Navigate to the App Engine section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Application to begin configuring your App Engine environment. Choose your preferred region for the application. Next, select the language you want to use for your web app. Allow Google Cloud to set up App Engine for your project. After the setup is complete, install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt and authenticate your Google account with the command, CloudAuth Login. Set your project ID with the command, Cloud Config Set Project, your _project_ID. Create a main.py file if you are using Python, or index.js for node.js. Write a simple web application code in your main file. Ensure you include the necessary libraries and frameworks you plan to use. Create an app.yaml file which defines your application's configuration settings. Specify the runtime in the app.yaml such as runtime, Python 39. Define handlers for routing requests to your web app in the same file. Once your app is set up locally, run it using the command, dev_appserver.py app.yaml. Check that your web app works correctly in the local environment. When you're ready to deploy, use the command, Cloud App Deploy. Confirm the deployment when prompted to review and proceed. After deployment is complete, you will receive a URL for your web app. Visit the URL to see your web app live on Google App Engine. To make changes, edit your code and repeat the deployment process. Your web app is now successfully deployed and accessible online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.